Yeah, no live. Hi everyone. Okay. Hey all. Today we are going to see Ikkat cotton sarees. So we have three categories in this. All are Ikkat cotton, mesmerized Ikkat cotton sarees collection. One is Sambalpuri Ikkat cotton. We have only 2 to 3 pieces in that. And another one is pure Pochampalli cotton sarees. These are mesmerized cotton sarees. Those comes with blouse. The price of that is 2950. Yesterday I have posted the pictures on the story as well. And the other one are also mesmerized ikat cotton sarees. They come without blouse and the price is 1950. So we have three ranges. Just you can stay connected and you can select your one of your choice. We have some beautiful colors and some beautiful weavings as well. Okay, we'll start seeing the collection. First, we are seeing Sambalpuri ikat cotton sarees. So in this grey color saree was a huge hit. Now we don't have grey color saree. We have only three colors in this. One is emerald green. I mean this is emerald green, shiny green this is, and some other two colors. Another one is bottle green. Another one is some aqua green color, aqua blue. So yeah, I'll show you. So this is saree number 1. Okay, this comes with the zigzag weaving. These are all original Ikkat cotton sarees. Also you get these in the range of 800-900 also. Those are printed sarees. These are Ikkat, pure Ikkat cotton weaving sarees. So the weaving pattern you can see here. So these are pure Ikkat cotton sarees which are weaved on this Maggam. So these are original handloom. Same you are getting in Seco pattern as well. Those will cost you around some 800 or 900. So if you wanted to buy this original stuff, so this is the one. The price is 1650. This comes with the blouse. This is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting with the chakra design. Blouse you will be getting in the contrast color combination in the magenta color blouse. So this is the sari and this is the blouse. The price is 1650. This is how it looks. Okay, this is the blouse color and this is the sari color. Sari in this emerald green and the blouse is in magenta color combination. Blouse is 1 meter. Sari you will get in 5.5 meters. So this is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting in this chakra design like this in the black color. These are pure cotton and on settles very good on the skin. Pure original Pochampalli cotton sarees. Okay, next one. Next one is in the aqua blue with the green color combination. This is the one, aqua blue with the green color combination. So the same pattern you will get for the saree. Here zigzag you will be getting. This is how it is. You can go with a collar neck blouse as well of your choice. How do you customize the? So this is the blouse. Blouse you will get in black color. If you stitch it as a blouse, it looks very good. So this is how it looks. Aqua blue with the emerald green color combination zigzag. Okay, this is the pallu. This is the pallu. The same in the chakra design on the emerald green color background. You will be getting the pallu. Okay, this is how it looks with the red chakra. So this is the overall look of the sari. The price is 1650. The price is 1650 with the blouse. Blouse you will be getting separate blouse. Blouse is 1 meter. Okay, this is how it looks. These are Sambalpuri cotton sarees. రెండు కాదు మూడు కదా ఇంకోటి ఉంటుంది చూడు. Next one is in the bottle green. రెండు పర్లు మిగిల్చే నాకు కష్టం. So the next one is another shade of green. So this is how it looks. Same green with the black color combination. That one is different green. That is a kind of dark dust green. This is another shade of green. You can really compare between the both. So the same. This is the pallu, how you get the, and this is the blouse. Blouse, it is in the correct combination with the black background and the red and the green buttas, green and the red butta in the pallu. This is how it looks. This zigzag pattern. The price is 1650. 1650 with 1 meter blouse piece and also with shipping. Okay, Sambalpuri Ikat cotton sarees. In this I have shown 3. One is aqua blue and 2 shades of green. Okay, this is how it looks. Next we are going to see Pochampalli mesmerized cotton sarees. Okay, if you for every cotton quality cloth, the cloth quality, the density, the weaving, the thread, everything differs. So now now we are going to see Sambalpuri cotton sarees. We are done. Correct. So now this which I am going to show. Pochampalli mesmerized cotton sarees. కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్ ఉంటుంది ఇది అనుకుంటా.
అదే నేను డౌట్గా ఉంది.
So the first one in Ikat Pochampalli cotton sarees now I am showing. It is in the chest boxes pattern. On first half of the body you will be getting the checks pattern in the white and blue, and another half you will be getting the blue with the small black color background. The price of this is 2950. Blouse pette. The price of this is 2950. So the blouse you will be getting it in the exact color combination, matching black with the blue and the white color combination. So this is how it looks. These are very subtle and these are this looks very classic and it suits for all the age group people, mainly our moms or grandmothers, so they feel very comfortable and they look very rich and it gives a very dignified look. So this is the overall look. First half in the chest boxes pattern, another one is in the blue with the black color weaving. So these are all original Pochampalli sarees. These are cotton sarees. So in the pallu you will be getting the zigzag pattern like this. This is the pallu you will be getting. So this is the blouse. So in the single pleat, on the single pleat it looks like this. So this is how it looks. This is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting a nice zigzag pattern. So this is how it looks. Okay, this is saree number 1 in Pochampalli cotton sarees. The price is 2950. First chala unnai kada. So the next one is in the pink and the blue color pattern. This is a pretty bright color combination. People do like a lot. So I'll show you the weaving. So this is how it is in the flower pattern. For the big flower pattern in the light purple color in the border, and on the body you will be getting the nice mesmerized pink shady pattern with the violet color border. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, this is the blouse you will be getting. This is the blouse you will be getting it in the dark navy blue color combination. So this is how it looks on the, if you put the steps, it looks like this. And the pallu also you will be getting in the zari weaving pattern to give it a rich look. You will be getting it in the zari stripes. The price of this is also 2950. Okay, pink with the violet color combination. Next is in some colorful pattern. So it's a rare color combination and also fancy color combination. This is in the aqua green color with different kind of weavings. So it comes in three layers. Zigzag in aqua green, this is in light blue, jeans color blue, and this is again another design. Okay, this is how it is when you wear. So this color complemented with the violet color no, purple color border of the saree. So this is how it looks. I have given a purple blouse for this. Okay, so all these are single pieces, and whoever wants to book, they can please take a screenshot immediately and they can book. First ఒక గ్రే చూపించు, మళ్ళీ గ్రే లాంటిది ఇంకొకటి ఉంది, రెండు ఉంది కదా. Next, yeah, so this is how it looks. Nice fancy color combination. Love the pattern. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is the pallu. You will be getting it in the red zigzag pattern. So this is total how it looks, the saree and all. So this is the closure look. This is aqua green with the violet color combination. The price is 2950. Next is a very pretty color combination, grey with red color, grey with red and white color. For this you will be getting a red color blouse. So in the border you will be getting a very big white border like this. So this is the border design you will be getting. So full it will be like grey color. The blouse I have given in the red zigzag pattern. So this is how it looks. And the pallu, so pallu is with matching with the blouse. Pallu is also in the zigzag pattern and the blouse is also in the zigzag pattern. So this is how it looks on the single pleat. So if you put this white design comes over your shoulder, and the whole saree is in the grey and the white color combination contrasted with the red borders. The price is 2950, and this is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting in zigzag, uploaded shown. This is the blouse. Blouse ఇక్కడ ఉంచేస్తున్నాను, ఇంకోటి ఉంది కదా. ఇంకో గ్రే ఇది
దానికి ఇదే.
No, one more grey saree. ఇంకో గ్రే సారీ అది
ఇక్కడ ఉంది.
దెన్
దానికి బ్లౌజ్
ఇది. సో యా, దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. గ్రే విత్ ద వైట్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ విత్ రెడ్ బార్డర్స్. ద ప్రైస్ ఇస్ 2950. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ మై ఫేవరెట్, the light pink with the dark maroon color combination. All the ones are single pieces. On Maggam we get only one time, other time the same design if we get also, the pattern might get changed, either this design or the body design. So these are all single pieces and also very beautiful ones. So this is the pallu you will be getting. So this is light pink with the dark maroon or the brown color combination. So this is how it looks. The price of this is also 2950. Okay. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu in the red zigzag pattern. So this is how it looks. It's a perfect color combination, light baby pink with the maroon color combination. The price is 2950. Okay. For this, this is the view and this is how it looks. Okay. So this is the weaving pattern or the color combination for you to see. This is how it looks. Next is in the parrot green with the red color combination, even a brighter one again. Parrot green with the green color combination. This is how it looks with the red color blouse. So this is the blouse you will be getting. This is the blouse pattern. And this is the saree, parrot green with the red maroon color combination. This is how it looks. This is the border you will be getting at the bottom. This flower and the garden type of weaving on the body. This is the body design. This is the body design and this is the border design with the red color you will be getting. So this is how it looks. The pallu again you will be getting it in a richer tone with the zari lines you will be getting. So this is the pallu. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 2950. The last one in the Pochampalli cotton sarees. So again it is a grey and red color combination. So on both the sides you will be getting the small border. The before one you got a very big border, white color. So in this you are getting same pattern border on both the sides. So it's a simple one when compared to that. So for this also you will be getting a red zigzag color blouse. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice. I like this color combination, gray with white color complemented with the red color combination. Again, for the pallu you will be getting the zigzag pattern for the pallu. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the overall look of the sari with the red color blouse. Yeah, the price is 2950. With this we have completed Pochampalli cotton sarees as well. Next we are going to see some beautiful collections. So those are also all are 1950 now, which I'm gonna show. All are single pieces and we have a very beautiful color patterns. So these anybody can any age group can wear. So these are 1950. This doesn't come with the blouse piece. So we'll start seeing. So this is in the purple color combination. These are comparatively lightweight cottons compared to those cottons, and the price is also less. So the price is 1950. Huh?
Blouse.
No blouse. For this there is no blouse piece. So this is the boxes pattern. So this is the boxes pattern and okay. This is the boxes pattern with border given here in the Pochampalli design. So these are thank you. So these are a kind of unique sarees. So this is the pallu. As I said, there is no blouse for this. So this is the pallu you will be getting. It's a very simple but still you know, in handlooms it is a new color design, new design that we have got. So this is how it looks. If you have any matching blouse, you can match it with any red, purple, or anyone from the sari color or weaving. So this is how it looks. These are very lightweight. These are pure ikat cotton as well, these also. So this is how it looks on the plate. The price is 1950. This doesn't have a blouse piece. Okay, this is sari number 1. This is the sari and this is the pallu. Next. So in the same checks pattern we have another color in the brick orange color with the dark brown color combination. See, my kurti has exactly matched this sari. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 1950. So this is the pallu you will be getting. Pallu is in the brick and the black color combination. Here it is in the orange color. Okay, so with the blouse, if you want to see how it looks, I think my kurti exactly complements with the sari color. So exact blouse piece. So this is how it will look. The price of this is 1950, and these are extremely comfortable and lightweight, and the fabric duration and the quality is also high. These are pure handlooms, pure handloom woven sarees. So yeah, this doesn't have a blouse piece, right? I was thinking. So this is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting in the stripes. So next, in the checks now we have colors. So all are single pieces. This is in the blue color, checks blue color with the purple, pink and the bright pink color combination. So this is in the blue color combination. For one saree I can show you. So this is how it looks. Blue color checks pattern. So this is the pallu. Pallu you can go with the pink color, nice pink color, it will look very good. So this is the pallu in the stripes, blue and the bright pink color combination. So this is how it looks. So the price of this is also 1950. All the sarees now I am showing here, these are all for 1950. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice blue color with the bright pink color combination. Next. This will also go with my kurti as blouse. So this is in the dark mustard color with the mustard yellow color combination. So this also comes in the checks pattern. These are all new pattern in the ikat sarees. So this is how it looks. So and this is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting in the dark mustard color. You can go with same color blouse if you want. So it will suit very well. Any of your blouses that you have already, you can go with that. So or this brown also goes good. So yeah, this is how it looks. Saree with the pallu. The price is 1950. ఇది ఇందాక వచ్చింది రాలేదా?
అది సింగిల్ సెట్.
So this is the next one in the violet blue color with the magenta pink color combination. This is the pallu you will be getting. So yeah, this is how it looks. So it feels like silk, but this is the quality is that good. The cotton quality, the count is more, so it gets lighter and the finest quality smooth cotton comes. So this is the pallu. For pallu also you'll be getting the border like this. So this is the pallu and this is the sari. So it is in the violet and the pink color combination. The price of this is also 1950. This is how it looks. So you should definitely try a new pattern checks model. Inken checks unnai. So this is in the green color checks. So whatever color you like, you can go with that color. So this is in the green color checks, and this is the pallu. Pallu is in the maroon red. So yeah, in the shop itself, people who come to see, most of the stock they only have taken individual customers who have come to our warehouse. So we have only limited stock for this. So you can take one sari and you can really try how good it will feel. So yeah, this is the pallu and this is the sari color, green with the contrast color pallu. Yeah, the price is 1950. Next one is in the maroon with the mustard color combination. So this is I think bright because of the border which is given on both the sides. Inga rendu unda. Yeah, this is in the mustard color, sorry, dark maroon color with the mustard color combination. Yeah, this is how it looks. So this mustard color border you can go with for the blouse, and this is the pallu. Pallu you got it in the nice haldi yellow color with some design on the pallu. These are simple handloom cotton sarees, are new in the market as well. So whoever loves handlooms like me, you can just try one saree which is in the new pattern. So these are all pure handlooms and not printed ones. I'm just repeating again. So the price of this is also 1950. Nice soft cotton ikkats. So the next one is in the yellow shade with nice green color, and the pallu is in the contrast. Pallu is in the black, so everything is different. So you can go with the black blouse. So it looks very good. So this is a nice yellow color with the olive green color border on both the sides, and the pallu is in the black color. So this is how it looks for all the sarees. Oh, I look so dull. Okay, this is how it looks, and the blouse is this. Blouse will come in the black color with some design here. Okay, the price of this is also 1950. Next, so this is in the pale yellow color, pale mustard yellow color with the olive green color combination. So for the pallu also you get in the nice shiny olive green color. You can see the shine on the saree. Yeah, this is a very subtle color combination and also very nice. The green border and the pallu also. Thank you, Gautam. So yeah, this is a very subtle and ఏం చెప్తారు, మంచి డిగ్నిఫైడ్గా ఉంటుంది ఇట్లా. ఆల్ దిస్ కొంచెం తెలుగు కూడా మాట్లాడదాం. సో ఈ సారీస్ అన్నీ వెరీ కంఫర్టబుల్ ఉంటుంది టు వేర్. అండ్ ఈ కలెక్షన్ అంతా మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ వర్కింగ్, విమెన్ హూ ఆర్ వర్కింగ్, దే మోస్ట్లీ ప్రిఫర్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ కలెక్షన్స్. ఎందుకంటే ఇది వేసుకోవడానికి చాలా బాగుంటుంది టు ద ఆఫీసెస్ ఆర్ హూ ఆర్ లెక్చరర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. So this kind of collection really goes well. If you have any, you can suggest to them, or you can wear for daily wear or small functions. Yes, hundaga untundi. Okay, Roja Saris, that's our firm name. Okay, yeah. So this is how it looks. So this is also done. checks pattern is done till now. So the next pattern, the checks kuda kaadu, some other design. So this is in the bright peach pink with the violet color combination. Peach pink. So this is the design you get, and the purple color border. So this is how it looks. This is also very nice and a decent color combination. Peach pink with the purple violet color combination. Like that. Okay, very simple, but it gives you a very elegant look as well. So this is how it looks. So the price is 1950, and you will be getting a purple color. You will be getting a pallu in the purple color as well. So this is how it looks. This is the pallu and this is the sari. Okay, next. So from here you will be getting different kind of patterns. A gold color we will not have in handlooms. So from here you will be getting different kind of patterns and different kind of designs. So this is in the green color. So I'll show you the pattern. So this is the pattern all over the sari, and this is cross weaving green color. So all the saris, these saris doesn't have a blouse. Okay, so this is how it looks. Blouse ledu. So this doesn't come with the blouse piece. So this is the pallu. Pallu will be in the same cross weaving pattern. Yeah, this is the pallu. Pallu you'll be getting in the cross weaving pattern, the green color, nice shiny green. So like how it is shown in the video. So this is how it looks. The price of this is also 1950. This doesn't come with the blouse. Okay, you look great with a smile. Thank you, Divya. Thank you so much. I'll do smile definitely. Okay, this is another one. So I think this is also done. This is with the zigzag buttas, with the green color, with the cross weaving green color combination, and the pallu is also in the cross weaving green color. This is the pallu. The price of this is also 1950. In the same pattern we have another color. I don't know what this color. This is mud brown color with the colorful buttas. So this is the butta exactly how it is, with the orange color border. So this is how it looks. So if you drape it, it looks really very good and decent. So this is how it looks. Okay, full purple I've already shown. In one we have a mix of purple and pink, purple and yellow, like that. You can see Anju, you can just go through, or you can wait for some collection. Yeah, so yeah, this is a like a dark rust with the orange color kind of combination. So this is how it looks. The pallu also you'll get in the same orange color. So this is the pallu. Pallu you'll be getting in the same design in the orange, rust orange color. So this is how it looks. The price is 1950. So next, so it's this is a bright color combination. This is Krishna blue with the purple color combination, in the same kind of buttas again. Krishna blue body with the multicolor buttas all over with the purple color combination. See, it looks very bright. Okay, so yeah, so this is how it looks. Krishna blue color body with the purple color combination on both the sides. So this is how it looks. The blouse, the pallu is also, so this is a cross weaving pattern. You will have that shine, you can see the shine on the purple color So this is the pallu you'll be getting. Nice cross weaving shiny purple color pallu you'll be getting in contrast with the sari. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 1950. So this is in the maroon and the red color combination, a kind of self contrast colors. Maroon color body with the red color combination, and the pallu is also in the red color. So if anyone likes this, you can just go with this mustard orange color blouse, so that gives a nice contrast look for the saree. And so this is the pallu. This is the pallu you'll be getting in the same design. Okay, this is the saree, nice dark maroon with the red color combination and the red color pallu. The blouse you can go with red or any mustard color combination. Next, if anybody is waiting for yellow, so this is the one. Nice yellow zigzag self red color background with the bright yellow color combination. So the blouse which I wore, the top, so that also goes with a nice contrast color. So it matches with this color, a brighter tone of this. So this is how it looks. So this is how it will be. Nice zigzag pattern with the lemon yellow color borders. So this is how it looks. The price of this is also 1950. In the pallu you have got the horizontal lines of yellow and rust brown color. So this is how it looks. The price is 1950. మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళాను ఇంకోటి అప్లోడ్. So whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message me, and whoever have missed the live or joined from middle, they can wait for the video to be posted on IGTV, and then you can reach out to me. Royal blue. This is royal blue with the mustard color combination. So one of the brightest colors, mustard color combination. So this is the pallu. Pallu is in the mustard yellow color combination. Okay, so this is how it looks. The price of this is also 1950. Pallu in the mustard yellow color and the body is in the royal blue. Okay, the price is 1950 here. Next, is in the purple. People have asked for purple. This is completely in and out a purple color combination, and this is the pallu. Pallu is in the contrast blue. So this is how it looks. So this is a kind of full purple color, dark magenta pink with the purple border, and this is the pallu. The pallu you'll be getting. So this is how it looks. The price is 1950. Pink with the purple color combination with the blue color pallu. This is the pallu. Okay. So lavender color. So this is the dark lavender color. This is the pallu. So this is how it looks. Dark lavender color with the purple color combination. So this is lavender. So this is a purple blue color combination. So this is the
Violet.
pallu you will be getting.
Violet.
Violet blue color combination. So this is the pallu you will be getting. The price of this is also 1950. So yeah, this is how it looks. So this is also a dark lavender color combination. So these are the buttas you will be getting. So I'm just showing you a closer look of how it looks. The price of this is 1950. Lavender with the purple violet color combination. So this is how it looks. Next, Next is a nice bright color combination, violet blue with the orange color combination. So the saree is in the brown color. So the border, how they given is with the blue color with the orange weaving. So it will have a dual tone. Okay, dual tone in the border, and this is a pure orange color. So this is how it looks. Nice blue with the bright orange color combination. The price of this is also 1950. There is no blouse. You can wear a orange color blouse if you want. So the price of this is also 1950. Violet blue with the orange color combination. Okay, next. Next is maroon again. So its border is in the combination of maroon and the green. So this is how it looks. Maroon green with the green pallu logo. So this is a bright green color.
Dark bottle green.
Bottle green where I see. So yeah, this is in the maroon color with the colorful buttas and the green color combination. So this maroon and this green is a very nice color combination. So this is how it looks. Lux green. Thank you, Sridevi. Thank you, Bagi Suman, another person. I missed the name. Lahri, the price of all these sarees is 1950. This doesn't come with the blouse. So you can wear a normal cotton blouse that suits with the one here. The blouse which you already have, or a normal simple blouse. So this is a very nice color combination, maroon with the lux green color combination. The price is 1950 with shipping. So this is purple with the orange color combination. So this is how it is. Before we have seen violet with the orange color combination. So this is purple with the orange color combination. The price of this is also 1950. This is how it looks. So yeah, this is the butta you will be getting. Rendu unnaya. Okay. So this is how it looks with the border on both the sides. The pallu is in the bright orange color. So this is a very nice and a bright color combination. Even we love to wear. Okay. The price is 1950. Purple. Purple with the orange color combination. Next. Nice. Very long. So this is bright pink with the nice shiny purple pink color combination, and the blouse is in the black color. So this is a kind of a different piece, so which is different from the regular ones. So pink with the black color combination pallu. You can go with a nice black blouse, because this purple or this burgundy pink, it has a tone of black color in that. So this is the pallu. So this is the sari and this is the pallu. You can go with a black color blouse if you want. Nice pretty bright pink with the burgundy pink color combination and the black color pallu. This is not tomato pink, this is bright pink. So yeah, I don't know how it is showing there. So this is bright pink. So this is how it looks. Very decent and a very beautiful one. This is, I really like this color combination because it's different. Okay, the price is 1950. We don't have elephant designs in this. These are normal simple cotton sarees, a kind of daily wear and small party wear kind of collections. So this is in the green with the orange color combination. I think I have covered all the color combinations. We have a huge number of color combinations and all are single pieces. Yeah. So this is how it looks. Nice green with the orange color combination. The pallu is in the orange color combination. Okay. Yeah. This is how it looks. I was not draping the saree, so some of them I was trying to show in the single pleat and some in a draped way. So this is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting in the bright orange color. నొక్కద్దు అది నొక్కితే వెరీ గ్రీన్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. వ్యూ రిక్వెస్ట్ అని ఉంది కదా, అది మన లైఫ్ డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతుంది. సో యా, దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ ఇస్. Rama green with orange color combination. Yes, it is Sridevi. Yeah, this is a nice bright color combination as well. This is how it looks. 1950 is the price. So the next is in the subtle color combination. Unlike the bright ones, this is a kind of a fancy color combination with the English colors. So in ikat, which all I'm showing, most of them are cross weaving patterns, so that comes in a dual shade, two colors. So this particular color combination, so this is a little fancier color combination when compared to the others. If you are, yeah, so this is how it looks. So it comes with the two border and the butta. So this is the butta all over the saree. So this is how it looks. This is a cross weaving pattern. It has a orange or the gold shine all over the saree. So because it is weaved with two different threads. So this is the pallu. Pallu is also very beautiful one. Unlike normal sarees, I feel this is little rich or more fancy when compared to the others, to be frank. So yeah, this is how it is, a combination of different colors or the English colors kind of. So this is the pallu. This is how it looks. The price of this is also 1950. Next. So this is in the arrow design. Arrow design mustard yellow with the orange color combination. And the blouse is in the pink color. So this is how it looks. You can go for a pink color blouse as well. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. This is golden mustard color with the orange color combination, and the pallu is in the pink color. So this is how it looks. The price is 1950. Hope I think the color combination and the design is clear. So design is the arrow design. Arrow design all over you get. And this is the pallu design. Okay, this is how it looks. Next, రెండు ఒకటేనా?
లైట్ డార్క్.
So this is in the chocolate brown color, light chocolate brown, similar kind of two borders given. So this also looks very nice. So little fancier. So this is in the little fancier color combination because of these two are like a fancy or English colors. Yeah, this is how it looks. Open check. So this comes with the two borders on both the sides, complementing the middle light chocolate color. So this is the butta you will be getting. These are the two pallu, two border colors. On single pleat also it looks very fancy, and on the double pleat also it looks very good. So this is the pallu. Pallu comes in the light or the pale mustard color. So this is how it is. So this is how it looks on the single pleat saree with the pallu. The price of this is also 1950. In the same saree we have lighter shade. So both are same. So this is a tone lighter when compared to the saree which I have put on myself. So this is the one. There is no much of difference. Whoever want to book this, there is another option here as well. So this is the final saree for this show. So we have shown 3 ranges of sarees. One is Sambalpuri Ikat cotton sarees. Price is 1650. Another one is Pochampalli cotton sarees. The price is 2950. That comes with the blouse. Both of them comes with the blouse. These are also Pochampalli cotton sarees, lightweight cotton sarees. These doesn't come with the blouse. The price of this is 1950. Oh, this doesn't come with the blouse. Parvaleda. So the so with this అయిపోయింది. So with this we are ending the show. Whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can book their sarees. And yeah, thank you so much for joining the live. See you soon with orders on the next live session as well. Stay safe and thank you so much.